Pyspark KMeans clustering features column illegal argument exception. Here is the code giving the exception. Root. Vertical bar ID. String nullable equals true vertical bar topic underscore vector underscore fix underscore dim. Array. Nullable equals true. Vertical bar element. Double contains null equals true. Illegal argument exception. Requirement failed. Column topic underscore vector underscore fix underscore dim must be of type equal to one of the following types: struct, type tinyInt, size int, indices array, int values array, double array, float, but was actually of type array, double. I am confused. It does not like my array, double, but says that it may be the input. Each entry of the topic underscore vector underscore fix underscore dim is a 1D array of floats.
Contains null of the features column should be set to false. After that everything works.
The contains null answer didn't work for me, but this did.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.